Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by turning fruit into fermentable must. Crush and press your apples right away, then check degrees Brix and pH. If degrees Brix is low, dissolve sugar to reach 12-14 degrees Brix so yeast has fuel. Once done, sprinkle the measured wine yeast and 5 g per 20 L plus yeast nutrient to prevent stalls. Stir gently to homogenize. Make sure to oxygenate the must briefly so yeast can build healthy cell walls. Cover with an airlock and keep the temperature steady. You watch fermentation move into an active phase, and you must manage it. Measure specific gravity now and every few days to follow sugar conversion. A steady drop shows progress. Once done with vigorous bubbling, reduce oxygen exposure. After the first 48 hours, avoid strong aeration to prevent oxidation. Make sure to control temperature between 18 and 22 degrees C so flavors develop cleanly. When foam subsides and SG approaches target, prepare to rack off gross lees to prevent off flavors and continue settling. You finish by clarifying and stabilizing the wine before bottling. Once gravity is stable near 1.0 or lower, rack to a clean carboy and add sulfite to about 30 ppm to protect flavor and halt unwanted microbes. Make sure to cold crash or use a clarifier so the wine clears. Then bottle when fully stable. If fermentation stalls earlier, warm gently to yeast's range and add yeast nutrient or a fresh tolerant strain. This is the key troubleshooting tip to recover a stuck ferment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.